Die burgemeesterskomitee het vandeesweek die nuwe strategie van die Kaapse stadsraad om watergehalte te verbeter aanvaar. Ons het met Brett Herron, burgemeesterskomiteelid vir vervoer, paaie en stormwater, gesels.
Inland and coastal water sites are not meeting the standards of Department of Water Affairs, and that many of them are contaminated. And so the report that came before the Mayoral Committee today was a report to launch a new strategy to improve the quality of the water, particularly in our rivers and catchment areas. Now, the report deals with both long-term and short-term interventions that the city needs to make in order to improve the quality of the water and reduce the contamination. But the short-term interventions are to deal with the symptoms of the problem, which is a lack of basic sanitation in many parts of the city. And the short-term interventions largely relate to diverting the polluted water from the stormwater system and into the sewer system or into the wastewater treatment system so that the water can be treated and not pollute beyond where it's necessary. So the idea is to divert the water as close to the source as possible and then run it through the sewage system rather than letting it run through the rivers and into the ocean. Where water is polluted, there are other consequences, environmental consequences for the plant and animal life. And where the water is highly contaminated, what often happens is we get an invasion of aquatic weeds, and this leads to other problems, including flooding. It's about recreational use, it's about use for irrigation, but it's also about unexpected consequences like flooding and the blockage of the catchment areas because of the take-up of invasive plant life, aquatic species. Yeah.